What is going on, crypto fiends? Thank you as always for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some breaking news from crypto.com. I wish I did get this out to you guys earlier, but I'm sure a lot of you already know what I'm talking about. But we are going to be going into some more detail on these topics with crypto.com, and then we're also going to be talking about what we can expect moving on into later months down the road. So starting things off, if you guys are not familiar, on the channel we are doing a massive Ledger Nano S giveaway right now. We're giving away Ledger Nano S wallets to lucky subscribers. We pick a new winner every single Saturday, so simply leave a like on the video, a comment down below, and of course be subscribed to the channel and you are guaranteed an entry into the giveaway. So I want to start the video off by letting you guys know briefly what I'm talking about, and then we're going to be going into more detail and talking about some other stuff. So first off, crypto.com came out with some breaking news last night that they are going to be doing a 70 billion CRO token burn. Absolutely massive. They also talked about that their mainnet is going to be launched on March 25th, which does happen to be my birthday. Probably not a coincidence. I don't know. Maybe it is. But lastly, they also announced a new staking pool so people can earn 20% APY on their CRO coins. So we're going to be diving into more detail on that in a second. But I don't know if you guys remember, but about a month ago, not even, maybe about 3 weeks ago, I did a video talking about my top 3 picks for February of 2021. And they included crypto.com, Tomo Chain, and Unibright, and then Ethereum was the extra pick added on to the end. Well, surprisingly, all 3 of those have done very well. I don't know if it's just a coincidence, but it seems like I might be onto something. Let me know down below if you guys did decide to jump into any of those altcoin picks I did mention a couple weeks ago, and if you have so, are you making some gains right now? Are you making a profit on your investment? So I do want to jump into the news for crypto.com a little more in detail. I am going to be reading off my phone because it's pretty detailed and I don't want to get anything wrong for you guys. But we are going to be starting off with discussing the 70 billion CRO burn. Now, I had a big hunch this was going to be happening a couple months back. I thought to myself that this would be a huge move for them, but it was really hard to believe that they would burn so many tokens and also take a pretty hard hit on their reserves. Theoretically, with the total diluted market cap, they literally just yesterday burned $10 billion worth of CRO tokens, which is absolutely incredible to think of. But they do go into detail stating why they did it. They said that they aligned with their beliefs and with the CRO chain mainnet launch just around the corner. We are fully decentralizing the chain network. Here's the first step, and then they go into some details. So pretty much they don't want to be like a company like XRP Ripple, where the company holds 60% of the tokens. They want to have the most decentralized mainnet out there. They want it to be completely distributed. They want the users to be able to earn by supporting the project and holding the coins. So they go into detail on how the burn is breaking up. They are burning 70 billion tokens, and they did burn 59.6 billion tokens yesterday. There's already 59.6 billion tokens completely gone from the supply, currently leaving us with 30 billion tokens as the max supply. This will increase the circulating supply from the current yesterday's 24% all the way up to 80%. The remaining 5.9 billion CRO token supply will be distributed as followed. 5 billion CRO will be allocated to mainnet block rewards for chain validators and delegators, which helps secure the network. And lastly, we have 900 million CRO that will be specifically for Particle B. And Particle B is a startup accelerator dedicated to incubating projects built on blockchains. They've been working with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto.com, and with a high potential to bring a disruptive impact. So that is a good thing to see, that crypto.com is just not giving everything to the community. They are holding on to about 900 million so they can continue to improve the development of the CRO mainnet. So that's it. That will be the 100% circulating supply, guys. I cannot stress this enough, how crazy this is. Now, one thing people probably need to understand, I mean, I'm sure you already noticed, is that the supply that was not on the market, the total supply was originally 100 billion tokens. And I believe the circulating supply was about 21 million. It's about 21 million right now. So sometimes some projects burn tokens that are circulating, and in doing that, that can spike the price based on a supply decrease and demand either staying the same or increasing in value. In this case, they are burning tokens that are in the total supply, not on the circulating supply. So that's not going to necessarily have an effect on the token's price right away. But the good thing is we do not have to ever worry about crypto.com releasing new tokens onto the market again, and that will prevent any selling pressure, and that will completely remove inflation from the equation. So if crypto.com continues to gain adoption and exposure, and people really want to take advantage of this 20% a year, we could see a CRO token CRO coin seriously increase in price in the coming months. Again, I will be coming out with a video just talking about the mainnet, but I'm also going to come out with a video doing a tutorial and review of the DeFi wallet, because I have not done it yet. When it originally came out, it did have a handful of bugs, and all of those are removed. So you can literally use the DeFi wallet connected directly to your crypto.com account and use all of the features, including the earn platform, but you stay in control of your private keys if that is a concern of yours. So again, you will use the DeFi wallet and have a one-click option to delegate your staking and collect rewards all in one place. Guys, this is incredible. I believe that's all the news for them. Lastly, they will, the CEO Chris of crypto.com will be doing a live AMA, Ask Me Anything, on February 25th. So about 3 days from now at 3 p.m. Hong Kong time, which is 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 3 a.m. Eastern Standard if you're on the East Coast of the United States. If not, figure out which time it is. But you probably want to hear what they have going on. It seems like they definitely have shifted to really wanting to make this platform the best they can possibly make it for the users. Again, I know there was a lot of nonsense that happened a couple months back. A lot of people got screwed over. A lot of people were upset. I was a little upset personally because all of the big changes without any notice, all that sort of stuff. But I think they understand now what they've done wrong, and they're starting to do a lot right. I'm sure you guys have even heard that they officially have changed the staking requirements for the Visa cards to a fixed fiat currency rate. So if you're in the United States, currently the Ruby Red is $400, the Indigo Blue and Jade Green is $4,000, Rose Gold and Icy White is $40,000, and then the Mac Daddy Obsidian Black is $400,000. So I think that is a big step in the right direction, because that was a big issue with the fluctuation of the tokens, and it was causing issues with the token wanting to move in price and all that sort of stuff. But again, I think we're on the right track, and I'm personally using crypto.com every single day now. It's honestly kind of my bank at this point. I barely use any other bank anymore. I just don't have to, especially when I have that Visa card. You guys know, if you haven't already signed up, you can sign up with my referral code CryptoFiend with no space, and you will get a $25 CRO bonus onto your account. But I think that's it, guys. I don't want to throw any price predictions out there because I don't want to get anyone too hyped up and you throw your life savings into something. But I genuinely believe it's not far-fetched to see a $1 CRO coin probably in the next 6 months to a year. If the market sentiment stays the way it is, and all the strong ass fundamentals we have with crypto.com already, it's not hard to believe we can do a 4 to 5x from here. We hit 28 cents last night, and $1 is really not too far out of reach. That's about a $20 billion market cap, and considering we have a lot of cryptocurrencies that probably don't deserve to be at $20 billion, they are. So I think slowly but surely we will continue to rise, and if you guys want to stay up to date on these news updates with crypto.com or other companies, and you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can stay up to date on future videos on the channel. And lastly, make sure you leave a like and comment on the video so you can enter in for your chance to win a Ledger Nano S. The next winner will be announced this Saturday coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.